Welcome back, everybody. I got an important package here from Uber RC. It is going to be my carbon fiber chassis, rear chassis, top plate, and some suspension parts. They're all being carbon fiber. So let's zoom on out and let's get into this. So this came all the way from the UK. You're probably not going to be able to see that. I'm here in the States. That seems to be everything. Uber RC. So here is the rear bottom chassis. Looks like some stickers and some nuts. Here is the top front chassis brace. And then here are the front and rear suspension braces. I don't remember which are which. I think this is the rear. This might be the rear also. And then here's the front, I believe. And then here is the main chassis. So that is everything. Alright, everybody, so that's everything that came in the mail. Next video, I'll have a scale and I'll weigh the old frame parts to the new carbon fiber chassis parts.